is our model. Here in this line we can see the street lights which are working on automatic lights. Here we are using LDR sensor. So in the night time it works as automatic. In daytime it gets switch off. And it is
Start.
here we are using the street lights which are working on a IR sensor. If an object is detected, these lights will get on. So by this we can reduce the energy consumption. So as the object is detected, it is on. The street lights are on.
Start.
Here we are using the buzzer. So if by this, if the person is facing with the chain snatching or any other accident, so if we press a button, the buzzer will get on. So the surrounding people get alert. So someone is facing a problem.
Start.
Here we are using a GSM module to know the message that the LED is off or not. So here we are using GSM module and Arduino. So using this, we can observe the previous program that has executed. So LED is off. So this is GSM module. Here we are using the GPS module which is helpful for the location tracking if the fault is detected in this street lights. Means if one of the street light is not on, so GPS will detect and send an SMS to the person who is in charge, so we can solve the problem immediately.